Friends, if any iPhone has become unavailable for 1 hour, 2 hours, or 8 hours, or if your iPhone has become permanently unavailable and you are unable to unlock it, then friends, in today's video, the method I am going to show you, with the help of that method, you will 100% you can unlock the security lockout or any unavailable iPhone very easily and completely free with that clean with the Unavailable app without needing a PC or laptop. I will show you everything step by step in this video, what you need to do and how to do it. Just watch the video carefully and do not skip any part of it. And friends, you need to follow all the steps I have mentioned by the nation carefully. You must not miss even a single step. So watch the video attentively and do not skip any part of it. And if you like this video, then do hit the like button. And if you have come to our channel for the first time, then do subscribe to the channel because I keep bringing great videos related to mobile unlocking. So make sure to subscribe to the channel. So what you need to do if your iPhone is stuck on security lockout or your iPhone has become unavailable and you are unable to unlock it, then here is what you need to do. You need to click on emergency, and after clicking on emergency, you need to dial hash 0 3 0 3 6 4 star 9 3 0 1 1 9 7. Friends, you need to dial this code. Okay, I will show you this code and tell you what it is. You need to dial star hash 0364 double star 9301197 hash star. And after dialing this code, you need to click on it. Now, what you need to do is, friends, you need to dial another code here. So watch the video carefully and do not skip any part of it. You need to dial star 6 2 3 0 star hash 1 0 0 3 6 0 hash last code. Okay, I will show you this code clearly and tell you about it. You need to dial 796230 star hash 1003660 hash star. Dialing this code, you need to click on it. Now friends, you just need to hold the power key and volume up buttons together here. Friends, we watch the video carefully here. Do not skip the video at all. And now you need to hold down the power key and volume down buttons together. Okay, the power key and volume down. So friends, watch the video carefully here. To not skip it any part of the video, you need to hold both of these buttons together for 20 seconds. So keep watching the video carefully and do not skip any of it. Friends, keep watching the video carefully. Do not skip the video at all. You can put okay, friends, our phone is resetting automatically. Take a look. So friends, when the phone resets, it takes some time to turn on. So I will speed up the video here. So keep watching the video carefully and do not skip the video at all. Friends, our phone has now turned on and the problem we had with our phone is solved, as you can see. So if you like this video, please like it, share it as much as possible, subscribe to the channel and do comment and let us know how you liked our video.